everyone, you are watching TNB Academy and I'm your host Akanksha Mishra. Today, let me ask you something very simple. Respect at work. Is it your right or just a privilege? Many people go to work every day, complete their task, meet deadlines, but deep inside, they don't feel respected. Some accept it, thinking at least I have a job. But is that really how it should be? Today, let's uncover the truth through the lens of SA 8000, a standard that strongly emphasizes dignity and fair treatment at the workplace. Now, the reality we often ignore. In many workplaces, respect is not openly discussed. It is not written in your offer letter and is rarely part of formal conversations. Yet, it is one of the most important factors that define your work experience. You might have a good salary, a stable job, even a reputed company. But if respect is missing, something always feels incomplete. That constant discomfort, hesitation to speak, or fear of being judged. This all points to one thing: lack of respect. Now, what does respect at work really means? Respect at work is not just about polite words or formal behavior. It goes much deeper. It means being valued for your ideas, being heard when you speak, and being treated fairly regardless of your role, gender, background, or position. SA 8000 highlights this clearly. Every employee deserves dignity, equality, and a workplace free from discrimination, harassment, or unfair treatment. Respect is not something you earn after years. It is something you deserve from day one. Now, when respect becomes a privilege, unfortunately, in many organizations, respect is treated like a privilege. It is given only to certain people based on position, favoritism, or personal bias. Some employees feel they must prove themselves repeatedly just to be treated decently. Others stay silent even when disrespected, fearing consequences. Over time, this creates an environment where respect is not equal. It is selective, and that is where the problem begins. Now, the signs you may not be getting the respect you deserve. Think about your own workplace for a moment. Do you feel comfortable sharing your opinions, or are you often ignored? Are your contributions recognized or taken for granted? Do you feel valued or just used for completing tasks? If you hesitate before speaking, feel anxious around certain people, or constantly feel undervalued, these are not small issues. These are clear signs that respect may be missing. Now, the impact of disrespect more than you realize. Lack of respect doesn't just affect your mood, it affects your confidence, productivity, and mental well-being. You may start doubting yourself, losing motivation, or even avoiding responsibilities. A workplace without respect slowly drains your energy. It turns a job into a burden, and most importantly, it makes you feel like you don't belong. Now, why respect is a right, not a privilege? Let's make one thing absolutely clear: respect is not optional. It is not a bonus given to a few. It is a basic human right. SA 8000 reinforces this idea by promoting equal treatment, non-discrimination, and a safe, respectful working environment for everyone. A truly professional organization understands that respect is the foundation of trust, teamwork, and long-term success. Now, what you can do? So, what should you do if you feel disrespected? First, recognize it. Don't normalize it. Understand that your voice matters and your dignity is non-negotiable. Start by setting boundaries, communicating clearly, and being aware of your rights. Surround yourself with environments that uplift you, not bring you down. Because the moment you start valuing yourself, others begin to see your value too. So here is something to remember. A job may give you money, but respect gives you confidence, identity, and peace of mind. Never settle for a workplace where you feel invisible or undervalued, because respect at work is not something you should feel lucky to have. It is something you should expect. If this made you reflect on your own experience, share it with others, because awareness creates change. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNB Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra, and I will see you in the next episode. Till then, respect yourself, know your worth, and never accept less than you deserve. Thanks for watching.